Okay.
Alam sa'yo.
Ala ni.
Tawanan.
Madamati, tunumi, sili, ken okra.
Hindi ka doon sa baboy. Sir Bobby!
Kaya lang, ang pinakamagandang tingnan ay yung itlog na kung saan ito ay niluluto sa, what do you call that one, ma'am? Paper bag. Tapos yung handle niya, twig ang tawag dyan. It is a twig, okay? Lahat ng yan ay, tawag dyan, lahat ng mga gamit na ginagamit namin dito ay puro improvise. Pero yung mga mukha namin hindi improvise. And this is Ma'am Shay. And this is Ma'am Remy. Okay, Ma'am Remy is the one who's cooking the egg inside the paper bag. You see? That's very amazing. Okay? With the use of the paper bag, you can now cook egg. Yeah? And that is also sili. Nagimasen. Dakpay na bigat. Correct. Kasula na yasa. Ayan, ma'am. Yeah? Okay. Hindi kita makikita yung apo nga tao na aglut-luto. Kawan lang. Extra dalan na kita.
Nagpa-picture na lang kung nagsibida.
Okay. Tibida dito. Ikit na kasi malut-luto. Aya? Sabagay. Mabisin di tao. Uray na naimas tinuto daw sa angkat kalandalatan. Ala? This is not a competition actually. Kaya lang, we have to use 4 pots para mas madali maluto ang mga dinala naming pagkain. Okay? And that is our vice president in our class. Okay? Si Miss Sunga, si Ma'am Irene, yung nagpapaypay na Palmolive model. Yan, si Ma'am Crisanta. Okay? I-YouTube ko talaga, dito yung friend. Hindi pa. Pag kulang ang itlog nyo, marami pa doon.
Eh, sino kasi di biyag? Tepe na itatay. Kasi di pa naglaro tayo.
Ano dito?
Hindi sa pang-dinner yung pang-breakfast.
Okay, for how many minutes
Ay,
you
butong.
waited? Finally, the
Ay,
food
okay
is
lang. Yan,
almost
tapos sa kita
cooked.
tinabutawan.
Okay?
Hi.
And
I'm almost done
and
with
the
my
chef
egg.
is none other than the most
Hello.
beautiful Mrs. Pamela.
How about me?
And you're only the most ugly. Esther, the second.
Yes.
Okay, this is
I am more beautiful than her because I
so much. I
have
agree.
my husband already.
Tama. Okay, tumitingin na naman po si Ma'am Irene.
Even you, madam.
Irene naman, tumitingin na naman.
Kat na yun lang.
Kapihikan.
Kakaiba naman yung strategy niya. The way she cooked, she did not place any twig to hold the egg.
But
Instead, she is using her bare hands. That's why. And she wants to cook. Ma'am, your egg. To cook the egg using her hands as a twig. Okay? And that is Ma'am Suna, the queen of Mr. Clifford Sarmiento and sister-in-law of our president in class. Okay? Hindi makikita yung talikod. Awan lang, nakatalikod na met. Ako makikarupa na. And this is one. That is Sir Johnston.
Ala, gubutik ka.
Okay. Amuy kita. Ma'am, nakita yung Jikastan, J. Rice na malutluto. Pinta. Mayatan, ma'am? Ah, good. Sir Roland, lutot bangus. Deta. Talaga. Deta nga makikita yung sumungsunga. Deta talaga the latest and the earliest person. And that is well said.
Ka-traffic, Jay.
Gago. Papunta ka lang ikit.
Madi agug-agug.
Ma'am Mercedes. YouTube ko friend. Okay, agree ka. Deta timakun ko na nga tagabo. Ang babaeng hindi na uubusan ng pahinga. Okay, at na kumikit.
Oh, marami naman.
Saan ma'am, that's what, deta timakun ko ng cholesterol plan.
Ay,
Okay. Cholesterol. Then that is Mom Jean, the sexiest ever. But still, hampay ang sexy. Dito ni Ma'am Calixto, our professor. And she is the one, siya ang nagtuturo sa amin using the improvised materials. Just like the paper bag, and using the twig to cook the egg. All of these things are suggestions and instructed well by our professor, Dr. Estrella Calixto, that she is holding the one stick of sili and ready to eat. And the girl that you can see standing, is Mercedes Tungpalan, the ever latest and the earliest bird in our group. Mercedes, show me your face. Okay, that's it. And hope will happen again. See you.